Hello, hello. Okay, now please confirm voice is okay. Rohit? Rohit, please confirm now voice is okay. Voice is okay, please confirm. Because from my end everything is okay, please. Okay, okay Rohit. So let's just start. So today we are going to conduct mock test for this. Okay, now so this is the first question. Okay Rohit, so please answer. Under which conditions of enthalpy change and entropy change will a chemical reaction spontaneous at all temperature? Very easy question, and this kind of questions you will find in your the biggest scholarship test, and by which you will get a lot of opportunity to win in terms of money and many other rewards. Okay, so if you have not applied, please go for srichaitanyascore.com. Okay, so under what condition enthalpy change and entropy will a chemical reaction be spontaneous at all temperature? Tell me, Rohit. It's a very easy question. Huh? You know, in science, in chemistry especially, Newton's law, entropy gives free energy, enthalpy. These are more important than Newton's law of motions in our science. Okay, so according to chemistry, these are the most important thing. So please tell me, question 1 to ask. So at which condition reaction will be always spontaneous? Okay, so you have to check the condition. Okay, Rohit. And very thank you, at least you have cleared. Sir voice was not clear, so I made the corrections. Thank you for this. Okay Rohit, so please try. So should I answer or you want to try it? So everyone, please try. Okay, never hesitate for right or wrong. If you will commit mistake, there is opportunity to learn new things. Okay, so please write down the heading, answer. So my dear friend, this is delta G equal to delta H minus T delta S. Okay, let's see. So for any spontaneous process, delta G should be always less than 0 or negative. Okay, delta G should be always negative or less than 0. This should be the prime condition. So you guys are best in mathematics, so see only the scenario. Okay, so for this temperature, the lowest temperature is in 0 Kelvin, so this is always positive. Okay, so if temperature will be positive, okay, so positive whole term become positive, and positive negative become negative. So okay Rohit, no problem, I am happy you have tried. Okay, so we made this whole term negative. Good. And if it is negative, so negative minus negative, you will get always negative. So what are the best condition? This is positive and this is negative, so C is the right answer. No problem. Okay, let's see. So according to you, if I will go for option number A, okay, according to you, so if I will write down this minus T delta S, okay, so if I will write down delta H is positive, so it become very risky now. So let's suppose this is positive. Okay, so of course this will become positive, so whole term become negative. But now it depend upon the temperature. If temperature is high, then this will dominate to this, then this will become negative. So this is not the universal case. So universal case is only C. All okay, no problem. You got it? So delta G. So in chemistry, this is the toughest question to predict which reaction will take place or not. Okay, so that's why this question is very interesting. Okay, let's move further. Very easy question. Let's enjoy. So Rohit, the equilibrium constant for the reaction, this is given like this at 2000 Kelvin. In presence of a catalyst, the equilibrium is at 10 minutes faster. Therefore, the equilibrium constant in the presence of catalyst. Very cool question. Okay, Rohit. So again, so please get motivated for the Sri Chaitanya scholarship test. That is a score, and you will find this kind of questions, and you have a lot of chance to get a good reward from this exam. If your basics are okay, if you are practicing the questions for JEE, okay. So it become very easy for you. And this is for any student who are in class 3 and above. Please. So what should we answer? So Rohit. Okay, so should I answer? So this is a very interesting question. This is the reaction and equilibrium constant is given, okay, at 2000 Kelvin. In presence of a catalyst, the equilibrium is attained 10 times faster. Therefore, the equilibrium constant in presence of catalyst at this will be what? So my dear friend, catalysts do not alter the equilibrium, okay? They only alter the time. Okay, so they only alter the time. Okay, so please, they do not have, so you have studied the characteristics of equilibrium constant. Equilibrium constant only depend upon the temperature. Okay, so catalyst is not going to change the equilibrium constant value, so still this will be the same. So A will be the right answer. Okay, equilibrium constant only change by changing the temperature. Okay, you have studied it. Okay, many factor, if you will multiply by a coefficient 2, so new equilibrium constant will become k to the power 2. Okay, so you have studied these things. Okay, if you will reverse the reaction, okay, if you will add the reactions, so for this kind of cases we have already seen a lot of cases. Okay, so only possible answer is A. Clear everyone? Now again, very basic questions. I hope everyone answer this. When 20 gram of naphthoic acid is dissolved in 50 gram of benzene, a freezing point depression of 2K is observed. The want-of factor will be what? Very basic question, and those please enjoy. So one of the very simple calculation kind of thing, and everyone will do good in this question. Okay, please answer. So very basic question this is actually. Okay, so if somebody is confused in the molar mass, so consistent boy is A. Rohit is saying A. So many people are going for option number A. This is very nice, but I don't know about answer. So in front of you, I will calculate it. Okay, I don't know the exact answer. So one thing is clear, delta TF is equal to I into KF into M. Am I right? So I is equal to, so this type of questions you crack in very, okay, this is molality. So what should we answer, my dear friend? So delta TF, already 2K is observed, 2 Kelvin. So this is 2K, okay, 2 divided by, KF is given 1.72. And what is molality? So 20 gram, and its molar mass is 172. Okay, divided by 50 gram into 1000. Okay, so this is the total case. So if you will do, you will get the answer. I don't know what is the exact answer. So so this process you have followed, everyone? This process you have followed, please tell me. Okay, so because I have not remember what is the calculation of it, so please tell me the exact value. Rohit, this way you have, okay, so this is 20 divided by 172, okay, divided by 50 into 1000. Okay, so this is 2.32. So 2 divided by 2.32 divided by 1.72. So 0.5. You will get answer 0.5. Yes, you all are right actually. Very good, everyone. So this type of questions are very easy, and it will increase the chance to grab some good rewards in this score test. Very good, very good. Okay, let's move further, please. Interesting question. A saturated solution of barium sulfate at this much 25 degrees centigrade is this. Okay, so solubility of BaSO4 in 0.1 m Na2SO4 at this temperature will be? Good question. I hope everyone will answer this. Take your time. Even this kind of questions you will find in your JEE Mains. Okay, and this is the solubility of salts, especially aspiringly soluble salt, okay, in presence of common ion effect. So please answer this question. It's a very interesting question. I hope everyone will answer this, because last question you crack very easily. So I expecting this question you will answer. Okay, everyone, please. Consistent boys, Zay, Rohit, everyone, please. And those who are new, please like and share the session. B, okay, no problem. I'm happy at least you are trying. Okay, Rohit, I will answer. So fast, very fast. And both, so your variation is very same, because you both are going for same option. Last A, this time B. So either you are right or wrong. Let's see. So my dear friend, Na2SO4. Okay. So if it will dissociate, this is 2Na plus and plus sulfate ion. Okay, everyone. So this concentration is this. So you will also get this concentration. And now, so saturated, the aspiringly soluble salt is barium sulfate. So if it will dissociate, it will form sulfate ion like this. Okay, everyone. And due to common ion effect, its solubility reduced more. Okay, due to common ion effect. So let's suppose from this segment, the sulfate obtained is X. So this is the common ion effect. So this is 0.1. So KSP is still same. This is barium 2 plus into sulfate ion. So my dear friend, its solubility is already very low, and due to common ion effect, its solubility again reduced. So what will happen? So in this case, we can treat this value only 0.1. X is very low. So this will become 4 into 10 to the power minus 5 is equal to, this is barium. Okay, so this will become X and this will become 0.1. So X will become 0.1, so 10. So 4 into 10 to the power minus 4. So its solubility is D, not B. I think you committed mistake in this question. Let's see. Okay, so this is a very good question, and this is this question is using the concept of solubility of aspiringly soluble salt in common ion effect, due to common ion effect. All okay? All done? Please confirm. Please check side. Consistent, let's see. My dear friend, this salt is a strong electrolyte. If it will dissociate, so let's see, this concentration is 0.1. So this concentration will be 2 into 0.1, and sulfate ion concentration is this. Am I right? Now, in same container, this aspiringly soluble salt is there. So itself, if there is only this barium sulfate is in water, so its Ksp will become S square. So S is equal to 4 into 10 to the power minus 5. This should be the answer. Okay, but now in the same container, there is this salt is added. So now this is common ion effect, everyone. This is common ion effect. You have heard about, according to Lee-Chatelier principle, if concentration of product is higher, then reaction will move in the backward direction. So its solubility is already very low, but due to common ion effect, its equilibrium will be shifted in the backward, so its dissociation reduced more. So sulfate from barium sulfate will reduce. So to solve this numerical, please ignore X in front of this, because X is very small. Okay, so that's why the solubility of this salt will become only this. Okay, consistent? Yes, consistent. So that's why sulfate, because this value is very high. So that's why we will ignore the value of X. sulfate ion, that is from the barium sulfate. So this is the only technical glitch. I think you have not solved this kind of questions. So calculate the calcium sulfate carbonate solubility when there is a calcium chloride AgCl solubility in 0.1 m of NaCl. You have not solved this kind of questions. I think this is the most popular question of solubility product. Oh, okay, even in JEE, even in NEET, in both the examination, NTA used to ask this question. All okay. So there is just approximation. Temperature is same, so its K equilibrium is already same, and this will be this into this. So this is X, but in comparison to this, X is very low, so this is neglected. Now this is clear, consistent. Okay. So you have not solved earlier. Okay. Now. Very simple. I think the one of the most easiest part. Which structure has delocalized pi electron? I think this is the most easiest part. I think we should leave this question. Please note it down. This is very, very simple. Please note it down, this question. So IUPAC name of this compound, please. So in this type of questions now, just try to eliminate the options. You will get the answer. Okay. So please. Very, very easy question. Please everyone, take your time. I will give you 1 minute for it. And those who are new, please like and share the session. B. Okay. So everyone, I think this is an easy one. Even so consistent, even in this case now, whenever you will find the normal questions now, please go for, okay, let's see. So my dear friend, if I will go for M and this is N, okay, so Mn, if I will follow the alphabetical rule, how M will be later and N, so these two are automatically neglected. So I think this is the worst question. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. So this will be, my dear friend, so what should we answer? 1 chloro 4 methyl 2 nitrobenzene. So coolest and easiest question. Yes, good consistent boy. Okay, now this question I think you can easily answer. Please. I think this is very, very interesting question. Please tell me. Very, very easy question. Every year medical, IT, every examination used to ask. In this question, you will not commit any mistake. I am sure. Consistent boys, JEE. So language is okay now, complete English. Because I think we have already met on our normal YouTube channel. Okay. Please tell me. For the reaction, this is equal to this plus this gives this and this at constant temperature. So what is delta E? H minus delta E, please. Tell me everyone. Yes, consistent. That's why I have remembered. Okay, please tell me. Every year you will find this kind of questions. Rohit, what happened? Now you are not answering. Last question was wrong and second last question was wrong. First two questions you have given the right answer. In this question you have not attempted. Okay. B. So delta H is equal to delta E plus delta NGRT. Because this is for the gaseous chemical reactions, okay? Because in gaseous reactions, okay, only volume change can be observed in the gaseous spaces. Very good, Rohit. So in this case, delta Ng will be what? Liquid, ignore it. So this is 3 minus 5 equal to 3 minus 1 plus 6. Okay, 6. So this is minus 3. So answer will be, so delta H minus delta E is equal to minus 3 RT. So this question become very simple B. Very good. I become a bit slow, that's why I said no problem, Rohit, no problem. Okay, good. So yes, accuracy matters more. So this is good habit. Okay, this is not worth if you are committing mistake. So take time and do the right answers. Very good. Now, I think easy one. For which of the following reactions delta S is positive? Very simple, very simple. Delta S is positive. You can directly answer the question. No need to calculation. Okay, everything is okay. For which one of the following reactions will there be a positive delta S? Rohit? C. Yes, when entropy will increase? When entropy will increase? Okay. When gaseous mix, okay. So mixing of gas is taking place, solid to liquid, liquid to gas. So this should not be the answer. Okay, this should not be the answer. Less mole is forming. In this case, you can in easy go, you can say 2 mole is forming 2 mole. Okay, now if I will go in detail, a lot of confusion in there. But this is very issue. Solid is forming gas. So of course, C is the right answer. Yes, entropy is increasing. Very good. C. Now, this is very, very interesting question. And this is very, very popular for JEE Mains. And this type of questions you will find in your test. So please answer. So for the reaction, this is the reaction. Equilibrium constant Kp is given at this is 16. So what is the value of Kp for this? Only calculation, nothing new. Only calculation, nothing new. Rohit, B. Consistent. Acha, C is the last answer. Or for this question, C. This is very easy now. Let's see. So we want to reverse this reaction. So first I will reverse. So it will become 2AB2. It will give 2A plus B2. Its equilibrium constant will become 1 by 16. Very good. Okay. Now you have to multiply by 1 by 2. So what will happen? AB2. This will give you A plus 1 by 2 B2. So its equilibrium constant will become 1 by 16 to the power 1 by 2. So this is 1 by 4 and this is 0.25. So answer is actually B. Answer is actually B. Okay, consistent. C, I think you did some little bit calculation mistake. So 1 by 4 is 0.25. Okay. So please, you are working very hard, and please do not commit this kind of simple mistakes in your exam. Okay, it will hurt a lot. So consistent boy, by mistake, how this will be? Okay, so you have divided by 8 or what? Yes, consistent. कोई बात नहीं, होता है, मैं समझ गया था. So okay Rohit, very good. Okay, let's come. Please, this question may take time but easy. 5.7 mg of sodium vapor is converted to sodium ion. Okay, if ionization energy of sodium is this much kilojoule per mole and atomic weight is 23 unit, amount of energy needed for this conversion will be. Very easy question. It looks very tough, but this is only two-liner or one-liner. Okay, I will give you 2 minutes. Okay, just there is problem in language, but question is very, very simple. Okay, very, very simple. पहले नहीं सर, वो फ्लो में हो गया, थोड़ा एक्साइट हो गया, पहले आंसर देने. नो प्रॉब्लम, इट्स ओके. Consistent, that's why I told you, I understand this, just in hurry you have committed mistake. No problem. Take your time. This is simple, just it's look like it's a big question, but if you will approach now, it will become the most easiest. Please. Very simple. C. Okay. So what was your approach? What was your approach? Okay, I got you. What you did. So I'm teaching. I think C. I know what you have did. So first of all, calculate mole. Please tell me. So mole will be what? So my dear friend, 5.75 by 23. How many of you did this? Is it okay? Please. Then I will move to the next part. Please confirm everyone. This is okay? This is okay? Number of moles in sodium. Yes. So moles of sodium I am calculating. This is the sodium vapor. So please tell me, this is cool or not? Say yes or no, everyone. So please everyone. So I'm giving time. I know yes. This is okay, but tell me this you have did or not. Okay. So 5.75 divided by 23. Okay. This is the wrong, everyone, because weight is given in mg. So in formula you should put gram. This is your mistake. That's why you got this answer. I understand. Your approach was very nice, both of you, but committed silly mistake. So mole is equal to 5. So weight is actually 5.75 divided by 1000 gram. Okay. So 5.75 divided by 1000, and this is by 23 gram. This is the mole actually, and that's why you got the 3-step mistake. Okay, everyone. So there will be 0.00025 mole. This is the mole. Okay. So you got it. So you have not converted milligram to gram. This was your mistake. So in 1 mole, this much energy was utilized. Okay. So in 1 mole, this much energy was required. So for this much, when you will multiply it, you will get D is the answer. Now you got the answer. Okay. So you have committed a silly mistake. You committed a silly mistake. Okay. So Rohit. So what was the formula of mole? Mole is weight in gram by molar mass. Okay, and you have taken different thing. All done? Okay. Now, chili saltpeter. This is good question actually. This is a good question. Okay, many people confused with this. They think, sir, this topic is deleted. So why they have asked this? Okay, but no, this is according to your syllabus. Okay, please answer this. Everyone, please answer chili saltpeter. So this is your from your P block. Okay, technically P block is deleted, but basics is in NTA syllabus. Okay, so they will ask you this kind of easy questions. So what is chili saltpeter? This is the just type a or name. Okay, if you have not remembered, you can't answer, but you can search, no problem. So one is Indian saltpeter, one is chili saltpeter, and this chili saltpeter is very popular name. Okay, many times IIT asks this examination question. Okay, so answer will be B. If you not remember, please go for that. Okay, NaNO3. So this is the answer. Consistent boy JEE. So in last question, this was the answer. I got it because three decimal digit mistake you have committed. Okay, so I got it. You have not divided by 1000. I understood it. Okay, so let's move further. Yes, it's a very interesting question. Calculate pH of 0.1 m this solution. Okay, take your time. So K1 is given, K2 is given, K3 is given. So Rohit, consistent boy JEE, please answer. Tell me, this is a very interesting question. Okay, I will tell you, consistent boy. This is called amphiprotic species. Okay. This is very easy question. B. Okay. So let's see. This is H3PO4. Just I am explaining how you can calculate answer. So this is H2PO4 minus, and this is actually HPO4 2 minus, and this will be PO4 3 minus. Okay. So let's see. It will release H plus. Okay. So this is K1, this is K2, and this is K3. So question is for this. So either this is Na2HPO4 or HPO4 2 minus, both are same thing. So in this case, if somebody is asking what is pH, so just add and this, okay, pKa2 plus pKa3 by 2. Okay, so directly, what is the value, my dear friend? So pKa2 is 7 and this is 12 by 2. So this is 9.5 direct. Okay, so very good, consistent. Why you are confused? Your answer was right actually. Okay, so this is very simple. If question is about NaH2PO4 for this, so answer will be 2 plus 7 by 2. Okay, this is the answer. Okay, so for amphiprotic, just identify the salt and use this formula. But you have to take, you can't apply, if question is about this, you can't take average of this and this. Okay, so target species is this. So in this way you have committed, you have given answer consistent by JEE. So if yes, then it really good, really good. Okay, now which of following solution will have less, okay, leave it, okay, we have already solved it. This is cool question. Yes, how many factors affect rate of, actually last question was na little bit complex. Okay, we have just merged few questions, concept of organic with physical, that's why. Great, consistent. So how many factors affect the rate of chemical reaction? Rate, how many of them? 2, 3, 4 or all? This is not a simple question, it's a really good question. All okay? Let's see, many people think only, I will tell you, so people are taking too much time. So this is a very simple concept. People commit mistake in this question because they have not taught actually. So this is the only thinking problem. So I will tell you the answer. Basically people think rate is only decided by concentration, temperature, solid, liquid or gas, something, or catalyst. Yes, these four things affect almost every type of reaction, but these factors will affect some interesting reactions. Yes, you are right. Very good, consistent Bonji. D is the right answer because you have heard about now some reactions are very pH sensitive, only take place in basic medium, highly acidic medium or basic. Okay, so in this kind of case, so pH will work. So if okay, so rate will be disturbed if pH sensitive reaction. Next, you guys are good in physics, so dielectric constant is high. It means ionic reactions rate will be high because higher the dielectric constant, more easily ions will break, so more will be the rate of reaction. Okay, magnetic and electric field, let's suppose there is a chemical reaction and the species are polar or ionic. Okay, so if you will apply electric field and magnetic field, of course their speed will enhance. Okay, so this factor will also affect these things. Radiation, yes, photolysis kind of reactions, okay, halogenations, a lot of things. And now pressure, in which gaseous reagents are involved. So of course all will cover. So normally people think these four things only affect the rate of reaction, but no, as per the conditional reactions this will also affect. So first four are general effects, but rest are this. So consistent boys, you conceptually you are very good, sharp actually. Okay, so this, some people think na, if you are answering the new profile, sir, I will note it down, first time seeing this question. Okay, consistent, actually I have created this question. Okay, this is my thinking. Okay, I think sometime solving numerical is not a very big tough thing, but actually this type of thinking require logical ability. So if you have, this is a very good sign. Now, please answer this. This is an interesting question. An ideal solution is obtained by dissolving n mole of non-volatile, non-electrolyte solvent in n moles of solvent. If the vapor pressure of solution is P and vapor pressure of pure solvent is P naught, then please answer. This is a very, very interesting question. Let's see who will answer this. Everyone. One of the best question, I can say this. Okay, and it looks very simple actually. Take your time, take your time. So this question looks very simple, but let's see who will answer. And there is, okay. So please everyone. So what should be answer? N is the mole of solute and capital N is the mole of solvent. So please, I think you should remember this kind of thing. And many people commit mistake by one line of NCERT, but I will prove it. Okay. Everyone, please go for it. So how many of you remembered P naught minus P by P naught is equal to mole fraction of solute? How many of you remembered? B. I know you will go for this. So you have heard about initial minus solvent minus solution by sol is equal to this. Let's wait. Where I have told you relative lowering in vapor pressure, let's see. This will make your day. Now, can I say, my dear friend, P naught minus P naught is equal to N by N plus N. This is a big conceptual error in the NCERT. Actually, they have not committed NCERT mistake, but the student understood in wrong way. Okay, so let's see, my dear friend. So just change it. So it will become P naught minus P is equal to N plus N by N. So we could write 1 by N plus N, take minus 1 this side. Okay, so this will become P naught minus P naught plus P by P naught minus P. Please note it down. Capital N by a small n. So P naught cancel out. Now change it. So P naught minus P by P, that is N by capital N. And this is the universal formula. So answer is A actually. B is totally wrong. I know why you have given answer. Let's see. Actually, NCERT what did a biggest mistake, and not mistake, people understood it wrong. They told when solution is very dilute, okay, so N plus N can be written as capital N. So they have mug up this. Okay, so every maximum people mug up this, but this is the only conditional question. Okay, but this is the universal question. So please remember this. Nobody has asked you what is the relative lowering in vapor pressure. Everyone asked you what is the condition, the best possible condition. So A should be the answer. I know people commit mistake in this. So it's a good question. Okay, everyone, I think this is more than enough for today. Okay, all okay, everyone? Okay, so how was it? So this I am giving as a question, as a homework. So please answer in the comment box after the completing the session. And so if you have not appeared for it, please go for srichaitanyaScore.com for this beautiful scholarship exam. Okay, and exam date is 28th September and 12th October. Register now at this website link. Okay, this is the national level best scholarship. Consistent boy. If you will find numerical, use what value I have given you. Okay, if somebody will ask what is relative lowering in vapor pressure, that is P naught minus P by P naught. Okay, and that is mole fraction. But what you have given that, but you in the solving numericals use my formula. It will help you a lot. Okay. So everyone, mode of exam is online and offline both. So a score first test date one is 28 September, second is 12th October. Its last date of registration is 26th and 10th. So please go for it. And this is the duration of time. Okay, up to class 5th, up to class 6 and 7, and then 8 to 11th. Okay, please like, share, and comment. So bye bye everyone. I hope you all are enjoyed. So nice discussion. Bye bye everyone. See you in the next class. Bye.